Today, I'm here to talk about one of the usual concerns of my clients. When it comes to financing health concerns, they usually ask me, which one should I get, HMO or health insurance? In this video, I'll share with you what I discuss to my clients. But first, let me share some harsh realities and challenges that we face. The top 5 causes of deaths for Filipinos are diseases, and what do they all have in common aside from being deadly? They are all costly. So, around how much would it cost when you get sick terribly with one of these diseases? From detection down to the treatment and rehabilitation phases, a patient incurs a lot of expenses. This could easily go up if you prefer to receive a higher level of healthcare. If you look at the staggering costs of getting sick, this can bring an individual or a family down to bankruptcy. How can hospital bills be paid? Here are some ways. First is a fraction of the hospital bill will be shouldered by PhilHealth, a health insurance provider run by the government. The rest will be shouldered by your HMO and health insurance if you have existing coverages. However, if you do not have them or your coverages are inadequate, you will have to shell out from your savings, and in the worst case scenario that your savings are not enough, you will have to rely on borrowing money or asking for financial assistance from your family and friends. Now go ask yourself, if I get sick today, how will I pay for it? Suffering from critical illnesses can bring serious financial pains. This is why I strongly suggest to my clients to plan for these things in advance through HMO and health insurance. Before we decide which is better, let's dive deeper in the details of HMOs and health insurance. So, what is HMO? So, it stands for Health Maintenance Organizations, or it is also known as your health card. It provides comprehensive coverage to fund hospital treatment costs and can be used for diagnostic tests, general medical exam, confinement, which is based on your specific limits. Unfortunately, your premium payments cannot be recovered if unused. On the other hand, health insurance is also known as your critical illness coverage. It provides lump sum benefits upon diagnosis of the covered illnesses and depends on your plan. The premium payments may or may not be recovered if unused. So, which is better? My recommendation to clients is to have both HMO and health insurance because they complement each other well and neither is superior to the other. I will give 2 scenarios. First scenario is, what if you get hospitalized with a not so serious case of dengue? Your HMO will be able to shoulder this case while your health insurance cannot because this is not part of the critical illnesses that is covered. Second scenario is, what if you get hospitalized because of cancer? Treatment for this could easily cost $1 million, and most likely you will max out your HMO benefits per illness per year. So having health insurance would greatly help in being able to finance the costly treatment. If you wish to have a personal consultation about this, you may contact me directly so we can come up with a financial plan for you. I hope you learned something from this and see you in the next personal finance videos.